Frame edges loose, corners damaged, or you simply want to swap the look of your display, changing the snap frame on the Skylight Calendar 2 is designed to be simple once you know how the frame attaches. At first, it can feel like the frame is locked in place because it sits tightly around the display. Some people try pulling too hard from the wrong side, which can make the process frustrating. In most cases, the frame just needs to be removed evenly and aligned properly during installation. Instead of forcing the edges, these are the steps you can try to fix this and replace the snap frame correctly. Number 1. Turn off and unplug the Skylight Calendar before handling the frame. 2. Place the device carefully on a soft, flat surface. 3. Gently lift one corner of the existing snap frame. Number 4. Work around the edges slowly until the frame releases completely. 5. Align the new snap frame evenly with the display edges. Number 6. Press along each side until the frame snaps securely into place. 7. Plug the calendar back in and check that the frame sits properly.